So we are working on the trusty T5 today. I have got the 2.5 TDI shuttle. Love it, absolute wagon. It's a beast, does everything I need, long wheelbase. Yes, I'm going to be fighting the rust this year. So I'm just about to put the smoke machine in the exhaust, about to cap the other side with a glove. I'll pop this in here. What I'm doing is sealing that, but before that I'm going to show you what it does. This is my little machine. I've had this for a few years. That's it. To put baby oil on the top. I think it heats it up, so it turns it into a smoke. And it's also got a bit of an air compressor on. So what it's going to do is fill the exhaust system with smoke. Then we can go to the engine, the manifold, and we can see where the leak is coming from. Now this connects up to a 12-volt battery or my little health charger that's over there. So I'm just going to rig up my machine. So my machine is now rigged up. I'm just about to turn it on, so smoke mode. What happens is smoke comes out of this little. There it is. You can see that. That's what we're going to be working with. It gets a lot thicker than that. So now I'm going to put this up here. Just going to seal that port. Put a quick smoke on. And then what we do is we wait. I've just got to check that it is going in. So this is the exhaust manifold. Just there we can see it. And there's 4 ports, I think. So that's the exhaust manifold. So we're currently just waiting to see if we see anything. Everyone says that I think these studs snap. Hopefully we can see something. I thought it was a boost leak because it sounded like a boost leak. Ended up chasing basically smoke from this feed here. So I was chasing smoke and it's coming from like the chassis leg. Really, it was coming out of the airbox to the chassis leg. Because that's the cold air intake feed where it pulls it in. That there. That was sending smoke into the leg, just there. And that is what I was chasing. So I ended up getting an intercooler and loads of other stuff. I can smell the fumes. Can't see it directly just yet. But I can definitely smell this baby oil. So that means there is a leak. Oh, I've just heard a noise as well. It's reached us. What I'm going to do is I'm going to press another button on the machine. So this button that's just here, you can now press that as well. So we've got no back pressure on this, that's good. No fumes underneath. Oh, I can smell it. I've got fumes here. Here we go. It's coming. and just trying to target it where it actually is coming from specifically. Oh, I can see it's down the back, I think. Right, it's coming from right underneath near the DPF. Yeah, so we've got a leak where the DPF is. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put on the ramps in a second and we're going to find this leak. So, the smoke machine's rigged up. The manifold isn't leaking at the front, we don't think. We think it's a bit more closer to the end of the exhaust. So we think it's down here. That's it, that's where it's leaking. Right there. Oh, that's what's happened. Yep, that is the noise and the leak. That's carbon snapped off. All the bolts come undone. Crazy. Makes sense. That's it, guys. Just there. Yeah, so I have just put a new bolt and a new collar in the clamp. Because I don't have any spare clamps. It's all bolted up now, so hopefully that's the leak solved. I'm going to give it a go and see if I've got this boost noise now, well, exhaust noise. As you can see, it's been leaking for a bit. I've got some carbon build up, so it's no good.